Even though we're a couple weeks into the semester, we're sure there's some things we might want to do differently if the semester began today, right? Kind of like a do-over. So the essential question here is, how do I get prepared for a semester? And while no two people will prepare exactly the same, there are some common elements that we need to look at, like setting up our email, organizing our Blackboard courses, getting our textbook and supplies, locating campus resources, and so much more. Hopefully you found the information in our topic folders and the textbook chapters helpful in boosting your knowledge about the demands of college and the resources that are available to you. So you'll see the variety of differences between the startup guides when you look at the samples here. Make sure that you look at the example startup guides, of which there are a few, so that you can get an idea of what your exit ticket is going to be like. And so let's jump right into the exit ticket. So creating a checklist for you to use at the beginning of the semester is important because it should incorporate all of the important information from both modules 1 and 2. You can use some of this content you used in the folder activities to help build the exit tickets, for example. So again, the goal here is to create a semester startup guide to help get organized before the beginning of your future semesters. So once more, make sure that you look at the student examples. Here's a very good example about what a startup guide might look like and some of the things that you might do. So we start off as always with resources, additional resources about what a startup guide might be, articles and links. Again, please don't be overwhelmed. These are not required readings or viewings. These are simply for you to take notes on and pull from any information that you want from it. So the next part is building the actual checklist. And again, one of the easiest ways to do this is to start off with our template here so that you make sure that you hit all the major parts. Again, you do not have to use this template, but it's a good guide in terms of making sure that you hit all the important parts. If you choose, you can use a tool to make that look like something like this, a PowerPoint or a Prezi, whatever tool that you would like to use. If you're not sure about using those tools, again, our technology help will explain that for you. So click open the online tools and you can get some tutorials about how to use that. So once you've built your checklist, make sure you save it somewhere so you can access it because it's almost time to submit it. So again, make sure that you read the discussion board prompts thoroughly so that you answer all the questions and get the most available points. Additionally, we'll also ask you to send us a link to an article or video that you found interesting during your own search. So once your post is complete, you'll have access to view your students, your classmates, and respond to your classmates' post. And I wanted to show you what that looks like. This is from another class, and so this is the actual post. So the student has the article that they posted here, why they selected this article, and then the link to their exit ticket, which is the startup guide. And so make sure that you're answering all three parts. But you'll be able to see all your classmates after you post. So you've done nothing wrong if you can't see anything. It's just that you haven't posted your thread yet. So as always, you'll put your name in the subject line, and then you will answer the questions above here, and you can attach or if it link your startup guide here, and you hit submit. And then we invite you to look at your classmates, what they submitted, and comment and try to connect with each other so that you can build off one of each other's guide. Okay, that's it. Good luck. Don't hesitate to reach out to your professors with any questions.